Are you over 60 and notice that your hands or feet feel colder at night, or that you toss and turn even when you are tired? Many seniors think this is just aging, but doctors say it often has to do with how blood moves through the body when we sleep. Sleep doesn't shut the body down. Sleep is when circulation tries to repair tissues, deliver oxygen to the brain, and move nutrients quietly through tiny vessels. When circulation slows down too much, sleep becomes shallow, oxygen delivery drops, and muscles don't fully relax. That is why so many older adults wake up stiff, cold, or tired. There is a simple nighttime habit that helps this: a warm drink 1 hour before bed. Nothing magic and nothing risky, just science, warmth, hydration, and a gentle ingredient that doctors approve for circulation. When paired with warm water itself, it can support blood flow at night in a safe and natural way. This is not a cure or a treatment for disease, and it is not meant to replace medical care. It is just a simple habit that works with the way the body already functions while sleeping. Doctors say nighttime circulation is different from daytime circulation. During the day, the heart pumps harder. Blood travels to the skin, legs, and arms to move us around. At night, blood redistributes to the brain, heart, and internal organs. Research from sleep medicine journals shows that healthy nighttime blood flow helps with memory processing, muscle recovery, and immune function. In older adults, stiff blood vessels, mild dehydration, and lower nitric oxide levels make this harder. Nitric oxide is a natural molecule the body uses to relax and open blood vessels. Studies published in journals like Circulation and Hypertension show that nitric oxide drops with age, but can improve with foods rich in natural flavanols and minerals. This is why a warm cocoa drink mixed with water and a small amount of magnesium has been studied for both sleep and circulation. Cocoa contains flavanols that support endothelial function, which is how well blood vessels expand and contract. Better endothelial function helps improve nitric oxide, which helps blood move more easily. This is especially important for seniors because nitric oxide production declines naturally with age. Better vessel flexibility means warmer hands and feet, less nighttime tingling, and more efficient oxygen delivery to the brain during deep sleep. Doctors also discuss circulation in the brain. During sleep, blood carries oxygen and glucose to brain cells. This fuels memory processing and emotional regulation. Brain imaging studies show that poor sleep and poor circulation go hand in hand, and seniors are more sensitive to both. Cocoa flavanols have been researched for cognition too. A study from Harvard researchers found improved blood flow to the brain after cocoa flavanol intake in older adults, which was associated with better cognitive testing. Nothing extreme, just steady blood flow. Magnesium is the third part of this simple nighttime drink. Magnesium helps relax muscles, arteries, and nerves. Many seniors are low in magnesium because it drops with age, and medications such as diuretics increase loss. Meta-analyses in Nutrients and Journal of Research in Medical Sciences show that magnesium supplementation improves sleep efficiency and reduces nighttime awakenings in older adults. Magnesium also supports vasodilation, the widening of blood vessels. Doctors connect this to lower nighttime cramps, better comfort, and smoother blood movement. The drink is extremely simple: 1 teaspoon of pure, unsweetened cocoa powder mixed into warm water, a small amount of magnesium powder that dissolves easily. Sip slowly about 1 hour before bed. No sugar, no stimulants, no heavy dairy, and no caffeine. Cocoa is naturally low in caffeine, and when unsweetened and warm, it stays gentle. For seniors who cannot tolerate cocoa or take medications that interact, warm water alone is still beneficial. Warm water plus magnesium without cocoa is also fine. Let's talk safety. Doctors warn against adding sugar at night because sugar spikes can disrupt sleep and affect circulation. They also warn against heavy meals, salty snacks, and late-night stimulants because all strain the blood vessels or increase nighttime blood pressure. Cocoa flavanols in low doses are considered safe for most people, and magnesium in small dietary amounts is tolerated well. People with kidney disease or those taking certain medications should consult their doctor, but this is true for almost any mineral. The warmth of the drink sends signals to the extremities. That is why many seniors often feel their hands and feet warm up within minutes of drinking something warm. Improved warmth is a sign of improved blood flow. Doctors say that cold hands or feet at night are often a sign of reduced microcirculation, especially in older age. Microcirculation refers to the very small blood vessels that deliver nutrients to tissues. Cocoa flavanols have been studied for improving microcirculation in older adults. Studies from the University of Dusseldorf showed improvements in microvascular blood flow after cocoa flavanol intake in seniors. Now imagine you are sleeping while your circulation quietly works. Muscles repair, the brain cleans itself through the glymphatic system, and the heart pumps more slowly but more efficiently. Good circulation means tissues receive oxygen, carbon dioxide is carried away, and inflammation stays lower. Poor circulation means less oxygen delivery, colder extremities, fatigue on waking, and fragmented sleep. Many seniors describe waking up tired even when they slept 8 hours. Doctors say sleep duration doesn't always equal sleep quality. Circulation plays a key role in quality. Warm water deserves special attention. It is the simplest part of this habit. Warm water slightly increases core temperature and vessel dilation. When the body later cools down, sleep comes easier. Sleep scientists call this thermal regulation. Older adults have weaker thermal regulation, so warm beverages can give the body a gentle push in the right direction. Warm water also helps thin the blood slightly through hydration, making pumping easier for the heart. Now consider magnesium again. The nervous system has 2 branches, fight and flight, and rest and digest. Magnesium helps shift towards rest and digest by lowering nerve excitability. Doctors see this in patients who report fewer nighttime cramps, less twitching, and easier relaxation. Small improvements add up. How long does this habit take to show changes? Not long. Many seniors notice warmer extremities the first night. Circulation improvements from cocoa flavanols build up over weeks, not days. Sleep quality improvements from magnesium can also build gradually. Doctors like habits that build slowly because they are easier to sustain and safer for older adults. There are common questions. What if someone has high blood pressure? Cocoa flavanols may help lower blood pressure slightly, but not drastically. Reviews in hypertension found modest improvements. What about diabetes? Because there is no sugar or milk, this drink remains low in carbohydrates. What about medications? Cocoa and magnesium are food components, not stimulants, but anyone with kidney problems, arrhythmias, or heavy medications should ask their doctor as a precaution. What about waking up to urinate? The drink amount should be small, not a full glass. Warm water plus cocoa usually does not overload the bladder. Seniors should adjust based on personal tolerance. The beauty of this drink is not that it solves aging or replaces medicine. The beauty is that it works with the natural nighttime system of repair and blood flow that already exists. Doctors often tell seniors that aging is not just decline, aging is adapting. The body still tries to repair and restore during sleep, but it needs proper circulation, hydration, and minerals to do it. Over time, seniors often report less morning stiffness, warmer hands and feet, calmer sleep, and more rested mornings. They also describe clearer thinking upon waking. Brain circulation at night is heavily studied in neuroscience. Sleep clears metabolic waste from brain cells through fluid exchange. That process depends on healthy blood flow. This habit also gives seniors something important: routine. A calming ritual before bed lowers stress hormones. Warm beverages signal safety and relaxation to the brain. A bedtime ritual anchors the nervous system. Doctors who study sleep hygiene emphasize that routine matters as much as the substances consumed. In the morning, circulation shifts again. Blood moves to the muscles and brain to prepare for activity. Seniors who slept with better circulation often wake with less dizziness and better balance. Small improvements in microcirculation can make daily tasks easier.
Warm water, cocoa flavanols, and magnesium. No sugar, no stimulants. Senior safe, doctor approved, research backed, and gentle. It supports the natural process of nighttime circulation that many older adults forget about. While you sleep, your blood quietly travels through every tiny vessel in the body. That is how life maintains itself at night. Nothing extreme, nothing risky, and nothing that replaces medical care. Just simple biology helped by warmth, hydration, minerals, and a plant compound that improves nitric oxide and vessel flexibility. Doctors say aging well is not about doing everything. It is about doing small things consistently that help the body work naturally. If you are over 60 and struggle with cold hands, restless sleep, or fatigue in the morning, this habit may be worth trying. Start small. Drink warm water on night 1. Add cocoa on night 2. Add magnesium once you confirm tolerance. Sip slowly 1 hour before bed. Keep the amount small to avoid bathroom trips. Give it a few weeks. Pay attention to warmth, sleep, and how you feel in the morning. Sleep and circulation are partners. Support one and the other often improves.